Hey, have you ever stopped to think about how the movies, YouTube videos, and TikToks you watch every day actually come together? Behind every frame is a craft, a hidden art that most people never notice. Video editing. But it wasn't always as easy as dragging clips on a timeline. Today, we're going to take you on a journey over 130 years of cutting, splicing, and creating stories, from 1890s to 2026. Film began as a simple record of life. People walked, cars moved, trains passed, long continuous shots captured by the first cameras. But storytelling demanded more. In 1896, Georges Méliès, a magician who had learned the art of illusion, accidentally discovered the first cut. His camera jammed mid-shot. When he restarted it, a woman vanished before the audience's eyes. That single jump cut changed everything. Filmmakers now had the power to manipulate time, space, and narrative. By 1903, Edwin S. Porter's The Great Train Robbery used multiple shots edited together to create a coherent story with tension, action, and suspense. For the first time, editing wasn't just about continuity, it was about emotion and drama. Imagine discovering that one trick that lets you transform your raw clips into a story people can feel. Editors today still chase that same thrill. By the 1920s, editing became a physically demanding craft. Editors back then wielded scissors and glue, literally cutting and splicing reels of film. And one mistake could ruin an entire week's work. This painstaking process required precision, patience, and vision. But it was here that editing became more than technical. It became an art form. Sergei Eisenstein in Battleship Potemkin mastered the montage using rapid sequential shots to manipulate tension and emotion. His Odessa Steps sequence is still studied today as a textbook example of how editing can control audience experience. Think of that first time you lost hours of work to a crash or accidental deletion. Editors in the 1920s faced that fear every day, but with real film. As Hollywood rose to prominence, editing rooms became the unseen powerhouse of filmmaking. Editors like Margaret Booth and Barbara McLean shaped the rhythm, pacing, and emotion of classics like Gone with the Wind and Casablanca. The moviola, invented in 1924, allowed editors to view and manipulate footage with unprecedented precision. Suddenly, editing wasn't just invisible, it was essential to storytelling. Studio editors would spend hours reviewing reels, adjusting cuts to synchronize music, dialogue, and visuals. Editing determined whether a film felt slow and dull or exciting and compelling. It's like sitting in front of your timeline obsessing over every second. Except now it's done on film, and one mistake could ruin your entire work. The 1960s brought flatbed editing systems like the Steenbeck, giving editors smoother playback and precision. Television exploded, demanding rapid turnaround. Editors weren't just cutting films, they were creating entire shows under tight deadlines. Then came VHS in the 1970s, and suddenly amateurs could try editing at home. Family videos were dubbed, clips were spliced together, and kids experimented with storytelling. Editing was becoming personal, not just professional. Parents would painstakingly dub family birthdays, adding music and narration, unknowingly learning fundamental storytelling principles. And by the way, these early DIY editors were kind of the precursors of today's YouTubers. Ah, the thrill of seeing your first home edit come together. Editors today feel that same excitement when exporting their first viral video. Speaking of which, before we move forward, let me quickly share something that's been a game changer for creators like you and me. Nextlev's Creator Suite isn't just another tool, it's a full content powerhouse. It bundles their niche finder and Chrome extension into one subscription, giving you everything you need to plan, research, and optimize your content. You can instantly find trending niches, analyze what's working in your category, and even get recommendations for your next video idea. Imagine saving hours of guesswork every week, all in one platform. I've been using it myself to plan videos faster, identify hot topics, and make smarter editing choices. If you want to take your content to next level, check the link in the description to see how Nextlev can help you work smarter and grow faster. The 1990s ushered in digital editing, transforming the craft forever. Avid Media Composer allowed editors to cut, move, and undo with a click. Mistakes were no longer permanent. Hollywood embraced this technology, and blockbusters like Jurassic Park and Titanic blended live-action footage with groundbreaking CGI. Editors became architects, not just technicians. Now, think of Control-Z, something we take for granted today, but editors in the past would have killed for that power. And by 2005, editing left the studio and entered the bedrooms. Final Cut, Premiere, and Sony Vegas made professional editing accessible. YouTube offered a global stage. Jump cuts, zooms, and meme edits became the language of a generation. Suddenly, anyone could tell a story to millions. Early viral hits like Charlie Bit My Finger or music parodies were often edited by teenagers at home. The quality wasn't perfect, but the storytelling was addictive. For every viral video, there was an editor experimenting with pacing, music, and timing, learning by doing. By the 2010s, editing became a cornerstone of content culture. Mobile apps like CapCut made editing on phones possible, while DaVinci Resolve went free for professional-grade PC editing. Creators like Casey Neistat and Emma Chamberlain showed that editing is storytelling itself, mixing visuals, sound, and pacing to hook audiences. Editing was no longer a behind-the-scenes craft. It was front and center. Every YouTuber and TikTok creator today knows the rush of exporting a perfect edit, the fruit of hours of careful timing and creativity. And now, in 2025 and 2026, AI is starting to reshape editing again. Runway, Pika, and Adobe Sensei can automatically trim dead air, generate captions, and even suggest cuts. Nextlev's Creator Suite now empowers creators to research niches, plan content, and optimize every video like a pro. While AI may handle the heavy lifting, human creativity, emotion, and pacing remain irreplaceable. Editors can now turn a 2-hour live stream into a TikTok-ready clips in minutes. Tasks that once took hours of manual work. From scissors and tape in 1890 to a cloud-powered AI in 2026, editing has always been about shaping stories. Whether you're an Oscar-winning editor or a kid creating your first vlog, you're part of a lineage that spans over a century. And now, I'll leave the question to you. Where do you think editing will go by 2050? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.